Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Android phone or a specific application is throwing a no peer certificate error, it means your device failed to securely verify the server's SSL connection. I will show you exactly how to fix this secure handshake failure right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for an SSL certificate to fail is that your phone's internal clock is slightly out of sync with the remote server. Open your Android Settings app and scroll down to the System or General Management section. Tap on the Date and Time menu. Ensure that the toggle switch for Set Time Automatically or Automatic Date and Time is turned on. If it was already on, toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on to force a fresh network sync. This helps realign your device with the correct global security certificates. Next, if the error is only happening inside one specific app, it might be holding on to an outdated or corrupted security handshake. Go to your main settings menu, tap on Apps, and select the problematic application from the list. Tap on Storage and Cache, and then tap Clear Cache. If you are getting this error inside your web browser, open your browser's settings, go to Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear your cached images and files to force the browser to request a fresh security certificate from the website. Finally, public Wi-Fi networks often use a captive portal that intercepts your internet traffic until you agree to their terms, which immediately triggers a peer certificate block. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open your Quick Settings panel and temporarily disable your Wi-Fi to switch back to your cellular data. Try opening the app or website again. If it works perfectly on mobile data, the Wi-Fi network was the culprit. To fix this, reconnect to the Wi-Fi, open your browser, and navigate to a non-secure site. You can find a link for this in the description box below, to force the network's hidden login portal to appear so you can agree to their terms. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.